Welcome back to Coding Tricks. So today we are going to see the continuation of the last session. That is, now we are going to see task 20G. So here they are telling that open the file projects.csv. This file lists some workers and below each worker is a number of jobs they have still to finish for a project. So they are going to give some workers list. And there are a number of jobs also to finish the project. So place a formula in cell A22 to count the number of jobs. So in cell A22 you should count the number of jobs that still have to be finished for the project. And in the place formula in cell A24 to count the number of workers on the project. So how you are going to calculate this? So let us see this. So for the first one, cell A22. So here you will just mention the count. So count from where to where you want the count. From which cell to which cell you want. You are going to mention the count. So for cell A24, here they are asking you to the number of workers on the project. So there may be blank spaces or there may be a blank spaces like this. So see here. So let us see that. Let us see in the here. So see, so if you want to count the number of workers or the number of workers who have not finished, so how you will calculate? So you will just write the formula called equal to count from where to where you want, from A2 to A19. From A2 to A19 we want the workers. So there are 7 workers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 workers are there. But here there is no jobs to finish for him. Here there is no jobs to finish for him. So not this one. One second. So here there is no jobs to finish for him. This is the one. So one is less here, and one more employee. Here, this employee, first employee and then second, 2. So 2 employees has finished their work. So remaining 7 employees that did not finish. So number of workers who have not finished is 7. Number of workers on the project. So how many workers are there in this project? So let us count that. Equal to count A from where to where? From this cell to this cell, from A to then minus count of from which cell to which cell, same, from A2 to A19. You are going to get number of workers on the project is 9. So we have already counted the number of workers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how you are going to calculate the number of workers. So you may get the doubt that why we have subtracted this, because here there are some of the employees who have finished. So if you want those, you should subtract. So that is how you will do this task 20A. Then coming to task 20G. Coming to task 20H, how you will do this task 20H is open the file staff.csv. The file lists some workers on another project and lists each workers. Place formula in cell B24 to B28 to count how many of each type of workers are employed on the project. Place a formula in cell B31 to count the number of employees with less than 5 years experience, and in B32 you are going to count the number of employees with 10 or more years experience. So how you are going to calculate? So first you should open the staff file. So here they are asking the director. How many directors are there in this? So you can check like this. Equal to. So what is the formula? Equal to count count. If so, what is the range here? So first, in two or more things we can do this. How to do this is, so first you can say that one way is we can name it as this as job. From here to here you can name, you can define this as job, define name, so job. So this is a one way. So you can define it as equal to count if, okay, range. So for the count if we will give range. From which range to which range? From here to here. Comma. What is the criteria you want to check? The director, right? So I'm going to give here director. So there is one director here on this. Where is that? So here is one director. So this is how you can get the count if. Or else you can also write count if job, comma, the address of this 24. A24 you can write. Okay. So next is analyst. So analyst, how you will do the same way? Equal to count if, equal to count if. Now we will see from here to here. So the range is from here to here. Okay. From cell B3 to B21. Okay, so it is taken as job. So next is, let us write A25. Let us check like this whether we will get or no. We will see. Yes, we got. So two analysts are there. So check 1 and 2. So this is how you will do. And the next is engineer. So same way you can do equal to count if, equal to count if job, comma, this cell. Okay, next programmer, same like that you can do programmer and sales also. Next they are asking you the years of experience less than 5, more than or equal to 10. So here whose experience is less than 5, whose experience is more than 10. So how to calculate this? So you can use the conditional formula. So how to use that? Equal to count if, equal to count if, from where to where? The range from here to here. Okay, the range is selected, comma, what is the range? Less than 5. So it should be less than 5. So let us see now. So how many? 7. So less than 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. One more we missed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So 7 are there. So more than or equal to 10. So how to calculate this? Same way. Same the formula. More than or equal to 10. Equal to count if, same range. Okay. Then comma. So what is the criteria here? So it should be greater than or equal to 10. Greater than or equal to 10. So greater than or equal to 10 is 5. So this is how you are going to calculate you are going to use the count if. So this is for task 20H. Then we will see the next task, that is task 20I. So open the file you saved in task 20H, add a new label called category into cell D2. So in the cell D2, you are going to add a new label called category and place formula in cells D3 to D21 to display very experience for employees with 10 or more years experience, otherwise to display not experience. So here what they are going to tell. So in the D2 you are going to add the new label called category. Like this, you are going to add a category, a new label, and place the formula in cell D3 to D21. So from here to here you are going to place a formula. How? Place a formula in cell D3 to D21 to display very experience for employees with 10 or more years. So if the employee is having 10 or more years, so if this employee is having 12 years, so you should get more experience. So if it is less than, otherwise, so if it is less than 10 or more years experience, so they should get as not experience. So what is the condition we will write? So here we are going to write if condition. So if, first we should write here category, new label called as category, and then we should write the formula for this. So equal to, if, what is the condition? The logical test value is if it is greater than or equal to 10, I think, right? Yes, if cells for employees with 10 or more. Okay. If this value is greater than or equal to 10. If this value is greater than or equal to 10, then you should write it as the person is very experienced. Very experienced. Or, so you will write the false condition here. So here you can see value if true. If false, what is the value? It is not experienced. Not experienced. Let me check once again. Not experienced, yes. So this person is not experienced because he is having less experience. So we can drag this formula throughout this. So you can see, sorry. See, we are not getting. Why? Because here if C3 we wrote, if C3 is greater than or equal to 10. So just drag it, you will get. So you will get very experienced here. So this person is greater than 12. So you got it as very experienced. This person is very experienced. Here you got, and this person. So this is how you are going to write the if condition. So this is for task 20I. So that's all for this video. In the next class, in the next session, we are going to see about the remaining tasks. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Thank you.